Hey everyone, just wanted to do a really quick recording for you guys on how to move your affiliate earnings over to your main balance and then how to basically top up your trading. So basically when you're here on the dashboard, if you go down to affiliate program, what it'll do is it'll take you to your team earnings. And you can see right here, you have an affiliate balance. In this case, I have $7.16. So if I want to hit transfer, what it'll do is transfer from affiliate balance to the main balance and then confirm trade. So you just got to hit the max button. It will confirm the trade or transfer sent, go back to the dashboard. You can see the $7.16 is there. So now from here, what you want to do, if you want to use that to top up your current trading package or whatever you want to call it, what you want to do is you want to go to financial proposals, go to XAI bot, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Do not create another deposit. That is not how you do it. That would open a whole new one. What you want to do is right at the bottom here, and you'll see your existing one. You'll see your reinvest button that we've talked about before. And then they got a withdraw and top up button. Top up button, $7.16. No max button, so I think I have to type it in. $7.16. Confirm top up. Boom. Went up $7.16, just like that. So for everybody that has teammates already, just make sure you go into your affiliate program and transfer these affiliate from your affiliate balance to your main balance. And then you can go into your XAI bot and you can go to the bottom and you can top up your current account. That's it. That's all. Have a great day.